ProvisionLab, innovating the future. Latest system of detection operated on quadcopters moves technology innovations forward and helps to be aware of the situation from the above. System that is easy to use and has only 3 steps. Extract your flash drive. Install it on computer or laptop and run it. Shepherd is a software with high quality of detection that can be set up individually based on the user's requirements and run on different operating systems, helping to detect objects, animals, or even people. Shepherd, one step ahead.